If you want to take high resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then here's what you can do in order to improve the resolution. So in the photo mode, what you can start with is simply the amount of megapixels that we use. So by default we use 12 megapixels, but we can switch to 50 by simply tapping on this option. And this allows you to get the highest resolution possible when taking photos. And I'm not sure if we can actually do the same thing in the Pro mode, but it seems that yes, we actually do. So let's go back to the photo mode for now. So when using 50 megapixels, you can also change the aspect ratio over here, which also has an impact on the resolution itself, although not as huge as the amount of megapixels, but still it does. So the highest resolution that we can get is simply by using 3:4 aspect ratio. So if you stick to 3:4 50 megapixels, then you will have the highest resolution possible. And of course, if you want to make some more adjustments to, for example, to white balance, to the focus, to some other stuff, to ISO and shutter speed, then these things can be performed in the Pro mode, which is a mode that allows you to do those things. We have access to different parameters that can be adjusted in order to make the photo look as you probably want it to look before you actually take it. Of course, later on you can still edit the photo, but this one can be actually really helpful. And that's pretty much it. And as a tip, I guess I can also mention that it is recommended to use the RAW format over here. That technically provides you the most in terms of editing and post-processing and post-production of the photo. So in case you want to use the RAW format, we need to actually go to settings. And then here, if you scroll down to, well, if you go to advanced picture options, you should be able to choose the Pro mode picture format. So you can use RAW format or RAW and JPEG. So you will save the same photo in two formats. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.